Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair was not at all listening today, so I had to wear a scarf, untie a scarf. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the products that I regret buying. I don't have a lot of products since I always take my time and research about a product that I am about to buy. Then I come into conclusion whether I need to buy that product or not. So I'll also recommend you guys to always research about a product that you're going to buy and then come into conclusion whether you need to buy the product or not. So let's begin with this video. In today's video, I have 7 products that I'm about to show you guys. So the first item is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. Like, this is basically a concealer, and this is what it looks like. I have seen a lot of bloggers and influencers and YouTubers are talking good stuff about this product, and that's why I went ahead and gave it a try, and it didn't at all work for me. I don't know, it just didn't work for me. Don't know if it's the shade, but yeah, this is in the shade C11 and the shade looks like this. I don't look at the shade, it does not suit me at all. So this is what the shade looks like. It's so peachy and oh my goodness, look at the shade. Don't know if it's the shade. I've tried and tested this several times underneath my Fit Me concealer. I tried to use this several times. बहुत बार मैंने कोशिश किया, but it just didn't work out for me. I'm really sad it didn't work out for me, and I tried to make this work for me, but it didn't at all work for me. I'm really sad. And मुझे ये actually sale पे पड़ा था, Flipkart से मैंने लिया था around 400 something rupees. So I'm really sad, like my 400 something rupees is like a total waste now. I mean, the packaging and all is so cute, and I saw that many YouTubers, many beauty bloggers were talking good stuff about this product. So मैंने try किया, मैंने मंगवाया, मैंने try किया, but it's a total opposite. Didn't at all work for me. हो सकता है कि मैं अगर शेड अच्छे से देख के अगर लूँ तो हो सकता है ये काम करे, बट ऑनलाइन पे जाके शेड वगैरह मैच करना इज़ वेरी लाइक टफ, एंड इट्स लाइक नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल फॉर मी. I don't get my shade right. Maybelline and all का मैं already like store में जाके टेस्ट कर चुकी हूँ, so now I go ahead and buy Nykaa से, so it's easy for me. But Makeup Revolution तो stores में है नहीं, so it becomes really tough for me to actually go and see what is my shade and all. So yeah, the shade didn't work out for me, and this product didn't work out for me. It's a sad thing, but it's a good product, but it didn't work out for me. Okay, the next product is a lip product. Oh my god, this is the Shambo Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick, and this is what it looks like. This is the close-up, and this is what it looks like. I have also seen many beauty bloggers talking good stuff about this product, but मैंने ये से store से खरीदा था, and I quite liked it store पे and all. The colors seemed very nice and all. I really liked it, but I don't know, I didn't at all wore this after like 3-4 times, and it's completely like full. I didn't wear it at all. 2-3 बार ही मैंने पहना है. I can't describe the formula. ये देखने में तो बहुत ही रनी है, पानी जैसा है, बट एज सुन एज आई अप्लाई दिस बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाता है. द शेड इज़ रियली नाइस, बट मैं जब इसे पहनती हूँ, like after half an hour my lips, it's totally dry and cracky, and it does not go like very well with my lips. I hated how it looks after like half an hour के बाद ही मेरा lips बहुत ही dry and chappy हो जाता है. I completely hate looking at my lips after I wear this lipstick. I don't know why this happens, but yeah, बहुत ही गंदा हालत हो जाता है मेरे lips का when I wear this. So I completely stopped wearing this, and this is like my most least worn lipstick that I have, and I completely dislike it. And मुझे ये around 900 का something पड़ा था. Don't really like it, and it looks very vulgar after half an hour of applying this. very बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा हालत हो जाता है मेरे lips का. 900 rupees is totally gone. I have one more lip product. This is the Maybelline Color Jolt Matte Intense Lip Paint, and this is what the product looks like. I was very excited about this product, like might be a good product to wear after colleges and all. It doesn't come off really nicely. The pigmentation is not very well, रहता ही नहीं है लिप्स पे, सो इट डजंट सिम राइट एट ऑल. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, आप देखना, बहुत ही अजीब फॉर्मूला है. लुक एट दैट, सी, बहुत ही अजीब फॉर्मूला है. आई डोंट रियली लाइक इट. द कलर इटसेल्फ इज़ सो नाइस बट इट डजेंट फील राइट. बहुत ही ड्राइंग हो जाता है, पाउडरिश जैसा हो जाता है. एंड मेरा तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई लिप्स है एंड पाउडर की तरह बैठ जाना मतलब बहुत ही ड्राइंग हो जाता है मेरे लिप्स. एंड आई डोंट रियली लाइक द फॉर्मूला. इट doesn't sit nicely, cracks के अंदर चला जाता है and my lips they look horrible. And again, this is one of the product that I have used the least. I will not recommend you guys to go and buy this. The next lip product is a lip care. This is the Nykaa Macron lip balm and this is what the product looks like. Look at the packaging, it looks so cute. And yeah, the product looks like this. As you can see, I have used it but I haven't used this a lot, so you can see a lot of product inside. And oh my god, why do we need lip balm? So that वो हमारे lips को मतलब heal करे, chappy होने से बचाए. You want your lip balm to be there for a very long time. ऐसे नहीं कि आप लगाओ and like within 5-10 minutes वो चला जाए, कहीं vanish ही हो जाए. So this is one of them. I hate this product. It does exactly what I don't want it to be. So as soon as I apply this, पता नहीं 5-10 मिनट्स के बाद पता नहीं कहाँ जो वैनिश हो जाता है, कहाँ चला जाता है. इट डजंट स्टे एट ऑल एंड आई रियली हेट दिस थिंग अबाउट लिप बाम्स. आई थिंक दिस वाज फॉर 200 समथिंग रुपीज़. बहुत ही अच्छे लिप बाम्स मिल जाएंगे इस प्राइस में. सो आई वोंट रेकमेंड यू गाइज टू गो हैड एंड बाय दिस. इट डजंट स्टे on the lips and I really don't like lip balm that don't stay on the lips. So why will you even buy lip balm if it doesn't stay on the lips? So it's a total waste of money. Next product that I have here is the Beauty Formulas Cleansing Nose Pore Strips, and this is what the box looks like and this is what the product looks like. Oh my god, I have been trying and testing this product for a very long time but it clearly didn't work out for me and it doesn't work out for me at all. I don't know why. I have given this product a lot of like tries and all but it didn't at all work for me. You can see एक ही मतलब स्ट्रिप बचा हुआ है because I have tried this so many times and एक बार भी ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा ब्लैक हेड्स निकाल दे. हर एक बार मैं इसे ट्राई की, it didn't even pull out like a single black head out of my pores and my nose and it's a complete waste of money. Price of this is 299 rupees. Please do not go and buy this. I have the Innisfree one that I am going to use and I'm going to try and I'll compare both of them and I'll make a video. So I'm saving this I'm saving the last one for that video. So yeah, I'm gonna compare and try this Beauty Formula nose strip and the Innisfree nose strip and share with you guys the result and what I think about both of the products. But yeah, this is not what you should opt for. Don't waste your money, don't go and buy it. It's a complete waste of money. Please don't go and buy it. The next item is something that I have like bought few months back. This is the Nykaa Going Strong Calcium Milk and this is what the product looks like. I have shown this in my Nykaa haul video. I'm gonna link the video right here, so make sure to check that out. I was very skeptical about this product, so I was very like hesitating to buy this product, but I gave this a shot thinking about the condition of my nails. My right hand nails, they are very fragile and they are very brittle, they break really easily. So I went ahead and got this so that I can apply it on my right hand nails, and so my right hand nails, it becomes strong, shouldn't remain that brittle and fragile. So I gave this product so many tries but I didn't even see like a single difference on my nails. I used it for a month to see if this works or not but nothing at all happened. I didn't even see a difference. A total waste of money, and this was for like what is the price, 249 rupees. I will never recommend you guys to go and try this and it's a total waste of money. Don't go, don't buy this. Eat your foods, eat your greens and see what is good for your nails, and that will do a great job instead of all this what they claim to be nail treatments. Don't buy this, a total waste of money. The last product that I have in this video for you guys is something that I have shared in just one of my video, and that was a haul video, and this particular product was advertised a lot. So I was very skeptical at first, but then I thought ki chalo, let's try this product. So this is the Mamaearth onion hair mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar, and this is what it looks like. It's a huge tub. I'm gonna show you guys the inside, and this is what the product looks like. You can see I have used this product quite a bit, but I'm not gonna say I didn't use it, but yeah, this is what the product looks like from the inside. It's whitish in color. Okay, I've seen this particular brand being advertised a lot, बहुत ही ज़्यादा, you know, advertising and all हो रहा था. So I was right about this product. It does nothing at all. I fell into the, you know, advertising ka scheme. I went ahead and bought this product, and I have used this several times. Me and my mama, we gave this product very fair shot. We used it for 2 months, and I'm not kidding you guys. It did nothing to my hair, my scalp, and I couldn't see a single difference. The MRP of this is 599 rupees. It didn't detangle my hair, it didn't make my hair strong, or it didn't make my roots strong. So yeah, it's a total waste of money. If you are looking for a good hair mask, I will recommend you guys to try and check the Wella hair masks. They are very good quality. I've used several of them, and they are very good. They work very well. And also I think Shreya Jain really likes the plum macadamia, I think, I don't know, macadamia or something, plum ka hair mask. Go ahead and check that. I have used Wella's hair masks, and they do perform very well. If you see a product being advertised a lot in the same time, please don't go and buy it. हो सकता है अच्छा हो, but wait for the actual reviews and then invest your money in something that actually works. So yeah, that completes today's video, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, make sure like my video, subscribe कर देना मेरे channel को, and hit the bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.